In a concerning development for avian health, the first outbreak of the rare H5N9 bird flu has been reported on a California duck farm, raising alarms among farmers and health officials alike. This variant, while less common than H5N1, signals a potential shift in the landscape of avian influenza. Farms that house ducks, geese, and chickens are now under increased scrutiny as outbreaks become more feasible with rising temperatures and changing migration patterns. Farmers are urged to remain vigilant, implementing stringent biosecurity measures to reduce the risk of transmission. These measures include limiting farm access to essential personnel, frequent cleaning of facilities, and monitoring the health of birds closely. The arrival of H5N9 adds urgency to existing protocols, already designed to combat H5N1, which has been rapidly spreading across regions and claiming multiple avian species. Health experts note that while H5N9 has not been associated with significant risk to human health, vigilance is critical. The migration of wild birds serves as a natural vector for such viruses, creating a complex interplay of wildlife interactions that necessitates ongoing surveillance. As more farms report suspected cases, a coordinated response will be essential to contain future outbreaks and safeguard both avian and public health. In summary, the detection of H5N9 on the California duck farm highlights the evolving risks associated with bird flu and the need for immediate action. By enhancing biosecurity measures and increasing awareness, the poultry industry can better protect itself from these emerging viral threats. Continued research and cooperation among stakeholders will be crucial in the battle against bird influenza. For more health news updates, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.